Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to your account on Agoda. So let's get started right away. You can sign in to your account using the web browser, or you can also download the Agoda application from the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store. Simply search for Agoda and tap on the install button. Once the installation is complete, simply tap on the open button and this will open up the Agoda application where you will be asked to log in to your account. You can log in using your email address or your phone, so choose your login method and then type in your login credentials. Simply type in your email address or your phone number and then type in your password. You can then tap on the sign in button and you will be logged in to your account with Agoda. And now you can start using the Agoda application on your smartphone. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign in to your account on Agoda. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.